Now these are a lot of fun. These are bird calls. They make the sounds of birds.
Oh, I see.
Yes, like tweet tweet, but slightly more accurate than that. These taste delicious as well.
A nut chaff.
A nut chaff.
Yes, yeah, a little yellow bird.
No. It was the sound of the blackbird. Sadly, there is a blackbird inside this box. And I forgot to drill any holes. How about this?
I think I know what that is.
Yes, it's South American panpipe music.
Good. I'm going to say a bullfrog.
No, this of course is a duck.
Of course it is. Seems so obvious now.
This doesn't seem to have a hole in the end. I'm going to blow into the side of this.
Is it the lesser spotted child's toy?
Yes, it is. This is in fact the little owl.
The little owl?
The little owl on the
I should
prairie.
have known that. Well, shall I have a go on you?
Why don't you, yeah.
Let's see if we can guess what it is.
Is that the chorus of Loving You by Minnie Riperton?
No, that's this.
Oh, yeah. Is it a nightingale?
It is, it's a nightingale.
Tremendous.
Tremendous. She's so lucky, she's a star, but you cry, cry, cry on the lonely heart, thinking if there's nothing missing in my life, then why do these tears in the night?